everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my graveyard project pan update for you. This was created by Emily, also known as Emily and Max. She is going to be linked down below, as well as everyone else that has joined into this. There's a lot of people that are doing this project, a lot. It is, there are two categories for this project. There is the graveyard, which is products that you have had in a previous project and you were not able to either finish it, meet your goal, or whatever, as well as the collecting cobwebs category, and that is something that has been sitting in your collection, unused, collecting cobwebs, super old, and you just need her done. So I have both categories, and a good portion of my inventory fits the collecting cobwebs category. It's just did I actually have in a project before, so you know how that goes. I have some empties. I'm very, very happy to say I have some empties. I have had some no makeup days since the last update, but the one thing that I always put on are my lip products. So even if, I don't have my whole face on, I always got something on my lips. So you'll be seeing that. You will be seeing that in the collecting cobwebs portion of the empties. Let's start with the graveyard because that's how I have it on my spreadsheet. And if I, if I go completely out of order, then I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So the graveyard products, I do actually have an empty, and I'm so thankful that I have this empty. This is Bath & Body Works Cotton Blossom. That tells you how old it is, and you can see my lines from previous projects. This is an anti-bac hand gel. I've been using this thing like crazy, and it is finally done. I mean, there might be a drip in there, but like when I hold it upside down, it's just not coming out. I would have to sit there and hold it probably for like forever, and I don't have that kind of patience. So she is done. So I'm going to try not to knock that over. So that is my only empty from the graveyard portion. My rollover for the graveyard portion is this pinky glitter. I really haven't done much with it because I'm a slacker. But I've been working on a lot of other stuff. I have. But this is going to get done. I'm going to make sure that it gets done. I keep saying that. I know. It will get done. If I have to like put that on my fingers and my toes and my eyes, my lips and my cheeks and like cover myself in it, do a Halloween look with it, it's going to get done by the end of this project. It's going to happen. All right, going on to collecting cobwebs. I have actually quite a few empties in this one, which makes me very, very happy. The two that I brought in last time were these Avon Moisture Therapy body lotions. It didn't take much. It was like one leg, the other leg, and it still wasn't enough. I had to add some stuff in with it because I'm a big girl. I'm 5'8". I got long legs, and well, these foils, I'm going to cut it. So those are empty. Raise the roof. This was a surprising empty, but like I said, I've been keeping my lips moisturized, and what I've been doing lately is I've been using like a lip balm. Probably, like, I think everything I have lip balm that I'm currently using has been frankened in one way or another. And I've just been putting that on, and then I've been putting on like a liquid lipstick. I have two different liquid lipsticks on over my lip balm today just to get some variety. So I had this lip balm and this lipstick. This was Clinique Sugared Grapefruit. I had them frankened together into this tube, and I actually did finish it minus the base, and then I went on to franken it with something else. As you can see, it is not the same color as this anymore. This was kind of like a orangey peachy color, and this definitely has a lot more pink tones, nude tones, that kind of stuff. So they are considered done for this project because like I said, minus the base, everything that was in here has been completed, and I'm happy. They needed to get done. They were old, and they were on the verge. They weren't completely turned, but you can tell when something is on the verge of turning, and that's why they got put in this project. I got them done just in the nick of time, so I'm very, very happy that those are done. So this is just something else. It's in another project right now, so yeah, this one doesn't even count in this project anymore. It's just got the packaging. All right, and the last thing that I should have finished, but I didn't because I was working on so many other soaps in other projects. This is the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Shower Gel in Eucalyptus and Spearmint, which I absolutely love. Did I just smear it? Probably. I was at this line right here. Now I am down here. This definitely should be done by the next update. And the only reason it's not, like I said, is because I'm working on a bunch of smaller soaps in other projects, and for the volume, for the numbers and everything, I was working on those soaps first. It's probably not the wisest thing to do, but you know, when you're working on a lot of stuff, sometimes you just have to reduce your numbers for your sanity's sake. And you know, I've got a very tenuous hold on my sanity as it is, so we're trying to grip in. This definitely should be done by the next update. If it doesn't, then you guys can smack me. Seriously, you can come right through and just smack me. All right, I am bringing in 2-ish things to replace all of the things that I finished because I don't want to overwhelm myself. For the graveyard category, I am going to be working on this lotion bar. It was originally put in, not this year, but last year. It was put into Drop 10 Before Summer. It is a full lotion bar. I never even touched it, and it's in Caribbean Breeze, which is why it was in, you know, Drop 10 Before Summer. Looks like this, and it needs to get done before the end of this project. So that is going to be my roll-in for the graveyard portion. And my collecting cobwebs. You know, my collecting cobwebs is going to be a lot of samples from here going on through. I have 4 of these Avon Anew Positivity Recharging PM Replenishers. So basically they're nighttime moisturizers, and yeah, I have no problem with that at all because I don't think I have a nighttime moisturizer in any project right now. Odds are at least 3, possibly all 4 will be done by the next update, which is nice because I can blow through some of my really old samples that I found when I was packing up downstairs and get them done, get them out. They don't even need to touch my inventory because, you know, they're getting out of here. So I have 4 things that I'm working on: the Pinky Glitter, the Spearmint Eucalyptus Shower Gel. These 4, I'm counting them as 1, PM moisturizers, and then the lotion bar in Caribbean Breeze. So I'm still keeping it going. It's not a ton of products anymore, but I needed it. I needed it to be done. I felt like I had a very good update, and I want to keep having some good updates, even if it is just rolling in and rolling out some samples to get stuff moved on out, because that's what I need in my life. I need to move things out. Let me know in the comments how you were doing with this. Definitely go check out everyone else that is doing this project right now. There should be a list down there somewhere if you want to go check them out. It's not too late if you want to join in, get the last few months in here, and get some stuff moved out of your collection. All right. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.